We've just acquired this BMW 520 diesel SE. We've acquired it in part exchange. It's not our type of stock usually, but we've decided to sell it because it's in very good condition. It's in silver, wheels are in lovely condition. Just put 2 new front tyres on it. It's got rear park distance control. 2 ways of opening the boot. You can either open it like that to get you shopping in and out, or you can open the boot. It's in lovely condition, like I say. Got the bumper protector cover there. Obviously it's BMW, so you've got electric mirrors all round, electric mirrors, full leather seats. It's just been serviced by ourselves. You've got satellite navigation. It's done 141,852 miles. Still got a lot of fuel in the tank. It's got cruise control, satellite navigation like I said. We've got Bluetooth, all host of things there, communication, climate control. Like I say, front and rear park distance control too. It's in really nice condition. As you can see, not much wear on it for the mileage. Like I say, we've just fully serviced it. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.